Mileage principle. If the itinerary is not a point-to-point routing or a specified routing, in that case we must apply some additional steps to find out if we need to collect more than the direct fare from the origin to the destination. Such steps are called as mileage principle. In mileage principle, we measure distance between the cities and compare the fares. Types of routing. Here we have three types of routing. Very first one is point-to-point routing. Second one specified routing. And the third one is mileage routing. Point-to-point routing. Point-to-point routing means no via point is involved. If itinerary is a point-to-point routing, quote the direct fare from origin to the destination. Specified routing. If the itinerary is a specified routing, quote the direct fare from origin to the destination plus HIP. HIP means higher intermediate point fare check. Mileage routing. If itinerary is not a point-to-point routing or specified routing, then basic elements of the mileage system will be applicable, such as MPM, maximum permitted mileage. Second one, TPM, ticketed point mileage. Third is EMA, extra mileage allowance. Fourth one, EMS, excess mileage surcharge. And the last one is HIP, higher intermediate point fare check.